Hello students, how are you? I hope you will be fine at your home. Students, in last part we start economics lesson number 3, money and credit. In first part we read what is money and what is the importance of money. We read about the barter system, how people were exchange their things with each other. Today our new topic is modern form of the money. What is the modern form of the money? That is paper note and currency. Before modern form of the money, how people were exchange their things. Variety of objects was used to exchange the things. In ancient time, cattle, grain were used to exchange the things. Then gold, silver, copper coin came. This coin has the value. After that, the modern form of the money came. In modern form of the money, there is paper note and coins came. And this modern currency is not made with the help of the costly metal. RBI, Reserve Bank of India, issue these currency behalf of the government. What is the features of the modern currency? Modern currency is authorized by the government. Its demand and supply can be controlled by the central bank. Value of each goods and services is measured in a rupees. So these are the features of the modern currency. Now, second is deposit with bank. Why people deposit money in the bank? People have extra money. Some money people, those which according to their need, people kept money in their home. Extra money people can deposit in the bank. When people can deposit money in the bank, this is called deposit with bank. But when people deposit money in the bank, what they get? They get interest. And why people deposit money in the bank? What are the features? Why people deposit money in the bank? Firstly, first feature is this one, safe. Our money is saved in the bank. Second point is earn into deposit. We earn something in the form of interest when we deposit money in the bank. And when we have needed, we according to our need, we can withdraw the money from the bank. How we can withdraw the money? There are so many modern modes of transaction came, such as check, net banking, etc. With the help of these things, we can withdraw money from the bank. Now, our next topic is demand deposit. What is demand deposit? Demand deposits are the deposit which can be in cash by the account holder any time. What are the features of the demand deposit to us? Firstly, it is used as a medium of exchange. It is easily acceptable. With the help of demand deposit, it is settling payment without the use of the cash. Now, next topic is what is check. Paper instructing the bank to pay a specific amount from the person account to the person in whose name the check has made. This is called check. What are the features of the check to us? Safe mode transaction and easy to carry. So this is about the modern form of the money. Thanks. Stay home. Stay safe.